On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
Come on, Mini, push. Push, Mini. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on, Mini. Push, Mini, push. Push. There you go. There you go, Mini. It's a baby girl. Looks just like you. Congratulations. Mama and baby. I can't believe they actually use a metal frame. Hope it don't rust like the old Toyotas. So that Toyota is the one I'm using for a donor. And it's going to take a little bit because I'm going to have to chop that plastic out, but I lined it up and the wheels and everything are the same dimensions width-wise and in between. So it should work. A little bit of modification. I'm getting there. Making some brackets to go from here to the frame. I gotta do some in the back from here to the frame. Then I'm gonna make some from the front to go from the frame down to here in 2 spots, and that should be good. And I hot glued the bed to the cab. Got all my brackets done. Now I got to take it apart, figure out where I'm going to put the battery, and I got to extend the headlights wire there. Wire's a little short. And you know what I figured out while I was doing this? When you rock it, the rear wheel comes off the ground easy that way. This way is harder. That spring is hard. That spring is super soft. That spring is hard. And that spring is super soft. So that soft spring belongs there. Ain't that something? It's a lot slower than a drift car. I gotta put the bumper on. I took the old Toyota and turned that into a drift truck. So now I got 2 RCs. Good thing I converted to 4-wheel drive, and you're gonna see why. Need a little snowplow. Kinda already is doing like a little snowplow. It's got one tire full of snow. Look at that. They make little plows for these too. That'd be pretty cool. I got a lot of weight in the front because of that camera, so thought maybe I could do it in reverse. Nah. Doesn't have quite as big of a turning radius as the drift cars. Doesn't run out of power. What's up, Mama? Mama mini truck and baby mini truck. Mama and baby. No, these are not waterproof, so don't go through deep water. Well, time to plow.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.